All right, I was sitting in this same spot for the last video, so I'm gonna move so that you're not bored out of your mind of looking at the same thing. Okay, so today is day 20 of 25. We're still talking about events. The super cool thing about events is there are more than one phase to the event building process. We're still talking about pre-event building and planning. So yesterday we talked about teasing and we talked about asking for their opinion on what you want to create. And you should have in your notebook lists of event ideas. Some of them would be in person, some of them would be like online downloads, videos like this teaching something, reminder that an event is something that's time sensitive and offers or shares some of your super smart brain to your niche people. And then you should also have a list of door prizes and swag ideas, things that you can give away, because door prizes are a huge part of the actual experience. An event should feel like an experience, whether it's online, in person, or a downloadable gift that you're or product that you're selling. When they're watching the videos or reading the things, it should feel like an experience, and being able to possibly win a door prize. Or, you know, one thing that I've done in my courses in the past, my online courses, and even in my live workshops where I'm teaching online, is said, hey, if you post this, if you like make a video talking about a frequently asked question and you tag me in the comments, I will give you a free one-on-one marketing session for 30 minutes where we'll create some videos together or something. So I'll bribe people to do things, and then I'll like basically say, if you tag me, then I'll know you did it, and then I can give you the free gift. Or, I'll send you a copy of a book, or, I'll bring a really sexy hat to the next in-person event in Calgary, and you can grab it when you're, if you come to that event. That'll be like a bonus free gift for you. So bribing people is not just for children, it's for adults too, and events are the perfect places to make people more excited about coming, right? And if your event is in person, yes, there needs to be some sort of food or refreshments. And I often will do events where I just grab, like I swing by Tim Hortons, I grab like the box of coffee, I grab the box of tea. They give you all the goodies, the cups, the sugar, the cream, the stir sticks. And sometimes you can even just grab muffins and things from there if you want to keep it more, healthier, I guess. You can just grab a big veggie tray and a fruit platter from the grocery store and keep it super inexpensive and super simple. If people come to an in-person event and there's no refreshments, no beverages, no snacks, shame on you. You need to create an experience. This is going to stay in their brain for a very long time. And what do you want to stay in their brain, right? How do you want them to think of you? So at the actual event, those are some things that you want to do. Now, before the event, when you've actually got a date and we're going to talk about in-person events now specifically. When you've actually got a date and you've got your event planned, the most important thing to do is every time someone signs up for that event, whether it's paid or free, you make sure that that system you're using, whether it's Mailchimp for a free event or Eventbrite for a free event, maybe you're using Stripe like I am for paid events, you're getting an email every time someone purchases a ticket. As soon as you see that email pop in within, 24 hours, sooner if possible. I dropped the ball on this a little recently. I'm getting a little lazy now that I'm feeling like I've arrived. Anyways, I like to reach out to them immediately. So in the form where they purchase their ticket or sign up for free, you're asking 3 questions. What's your cell phone number? So you want to text them to be able to confirm that they're coming, to be able to say, hey, what's up? So glad you're signed up. Can't wait to see you. You want to ask them for their top social channel, because you're probably going to want to tag them in like a pre-event post and or a group photo that you share from the event. And you don't want to be scrambling at the event trying to get this info, because you're hosting the event, you're going to be busy. And lastly, why are they signing up? That last question can also be replaced with, how did you find out about this event? All right, so now you want to make yourself a little event checklist, creating the sign up link. Are you doing that on Mailchimp? Are you doing that on Eventbrite? Are you charging for this event? Maybe you want to do it on Stripe and Eventbrite, which is what I often do. Stripe and Eventbrite allows me to have the Google SEO awesomeness of Eventbrite. And I say right on Eventbrite, I say, I give you all right, Eventbrite. So my SD card was full and it shut my video off. So Eventbrite is where I post the event, as well as on Stripe. And the Stripe link is on my website. So what I'm doing with Eventbrite is I'm driving traffic over to my website so they can save money on their tickets. So I say right in the Eventbrite description, if you want to save $10 or $20 per ticket, whatever the number is at the time, head over to my website and buy your ticket there to save some money. And of course, then I don't have to pay the Eventbrite fee, but I still get some people buying them on Eventbrite. probably just because they're more comfortable, or maybe they didn't read the description or whatever, and that's fine too. So now you have a really great event planning checklist. You have a pre-event marketing checklist. You know that you need to bribe people to get them to the event. You know that you need to make that contact with them right away as soon as they sign up, so that they know that you see them and that you want to see them in person at the event, and that you know that they've signed up. And making people feel seen and heard and special is why event marketing is so huge. So going out on social media and talking about what you've ate for breakfast, and posting walks with your dog, and talking about why your area of expertise is so important, and your coaching packages and your products. This event marketing sets you completely apart from all of that. It puts you in a different world in the marketing, different area of the marketing world, if you will. And it allows you to do something that most business owners aren't doing on Instagram, because not a lot of business owners hold events. They flip over their shingle, their open sign, and they just hope that business comes. And this is why so many businesses fail, people. Okay? This is why so many businesses fail, is because they don't hold events. They don't go that extra mile. They don't put their face out there. They don't interact with people. When they go to networking events, they just see how many business cards they can get, and then they don't follow up with them. So I'm showing you how to really not only make those connections, but nurture those relationships, and holding events is the best way to do that. So if you're into all this event stuff and you want to keep working towards holding your own event of some type, or maybe just leveling up your free download, like your free lead magnet game, then come back tomorrow and the next day and the next day, and we're going to keep working on all of this. And if you're new here, again, this is one of 25 free videos to help you with your marketing. So check them all out. The link is in the description. Bye for now.